Hi, I want to do a video on this Hedge cutter XC15. I rebuilt the carburetor so there's no leaks or anything on it. New petrol pipe in here, there. Got a breather coming up in here. Can we use it? Yes, you can. Well, there's a problem with this. When you rev it up high, it's intermittent. The revs go up and down, up and down. Carb is set, new air filter in there, new petrol filter. Be easier for me to start it up, for you to listen. And if you know, please tell me what it is. Right, it ticks over okay, now you can hear me. So just on 4 revs it does intermittent revs, like that. So it's something wrong here. So if you know what it is, please tell me. Thanks for listening. Bye.